Hi, I'm going to show you how to make this leaf, and I'm using Red Heart medium worsted yarn, an F hook, and it measures across about 2 inches, and then with the stem 3 inches. And if you like it larger, of course use a larger hook, larger yarn. And if you need the written pattern, it's down below. You just click on that link. So I'm going to show you how to get started. To get started, you're going to slip knot onto your hook and chain 11. Okay, so once you have 11, you're going to single crochet in that third chain. 1, 2, 3. Insert your hook, grab the yarn, and pull through 2 loops for a single crochet. Then you're going to half double crochet in the next chain. So yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn over, and pull through 3 loops. Then you're going to double crochet in the next chain twice. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And then repeat and do 1 more double crochet. Then you're going to treble crochet in the next chain. Yarn over twice, insert your hook in the next chain, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Insert your hook and work a treble crochet in the next chain twice. And then treble crochet again in that next chain, in that same chain. So in the same chain you have 2 treble. Pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2, and then yarn over and pull through 2. Then you have a treble in the next, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Double crochet in the next. Half double crochet in the next. And single crochet in the last. Then you're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch in that second chain. 1, 2. Slip stitch in the next. And then the next, and then in the next. And then in that chain, in this stitch here, you're going to slip stitch. Then turn your work, and you're going to half double crochet in the next. So you worked your stitch here, and then in this stitch, because you had 1 here, and this next one you're going to work a half. So yarn over and pull through 3 loops. Then you're going to double crochet in the next, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Then you're going to treble crochet in the next. And then treble crochet in the next chain or next stitch twice. And repeat another treble in that same stitch. And then treble in the next. Double crochet in the next twice. So 1 and then 2. Half double crochet in the next. Pull through 3 loops. Single crochet in the next. And then slip stitch on top. And then chain 1 and pull through. And then take your yarn needle and weave in your ends in the back. And then once you've done it enough to secure it, then you can cut it. And this is how you make the leaf. You can weave in this end too. And here you go. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.